Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix 3ds Autodesk starting problem. If your 3D Max is not starting after this splash screen, that's the problem of the services. For example, if you try to open it up and it closes automatically, that's the services problem. So you should go to start and type services. Go here and find FlexNet licensing service and right click it, then go properties, choose automatic, press apply and OK. But before you start press OK, just press start, wait a few seconds and press OK. Then now you can close this and now you can open the 3ds Max with no problem. Let's check it. As you can see, it's loading plugins. That's good sign. Let's wait till the end. Now it starts the software. As you can see, the software is now loaded. If this video helped, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.